Good girl. You're a good dog. She eating all of our dinner. You're lining it up for her.
I think she wants you to feed it to her. It's
kissy.
No. See, no kisses, thank you.
Mary,
Mary
no.
Legs. Good girl.
See, no kisses. Ball. You throw the ball.
Good Mary.
Yay! Good dog. Is she good? Good girl.
She likes it when you feed it to her, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Any more?
You're going to be in it in a minute.
Whoa.
Say doggy. Yay! You say dog. Dog. She can hear you, darling. She's right there.
Give it to her. Give it to her from her hand. Put it on your hand. No.
No, not all of it on the floor.
Pick it up and put it back.
Put it back in the bowl. You're going to put it back in the bowl. Yeah.
Say, Mary.
More.
No, Bally.
She'd rather play, I think.
All full up.
Yay!
She must eat better. There's only certain ones she likes.